Send help. Good morning, you guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Guys, I just got back from the school run. Welcome to my channel. If you're new over here, if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Yeah, hope you guys are doing fantastic as usual. Yeah, so I just got back from the school run. I went to take ShéKayla to school. You know what I was thinking? I was like, should I start? This vlog wasn't even supposed to be started here. This vlog started last week, but a series of things been going on, so I didn't continue. So I was like, this vlog is for Sunday. I need to wrap this up, right? So let me insert what I did last week. I went to the dentist. Y'all have a look at me though. Look at me now, and then look at me in the next clip. So I went to the dentist, and then we came home, and y'all gonna come back to me in the car, but just watch the events from last week, and then we'll chat. Guys, look at my face. Oh my gosh, I was wearing glasses. So I just come out of I'm at the dentist. Ruby's there, but he's sleeping. Look at him. Yeah, he made 10 months yesterday. Yeah, so I'm here at the dentist. Sean just went in. We're both at the dentist. So I probably didn't tell you that. Y'all could tell what side I had treatment on because I'm talking to you, but I cannot feel. I think it's here. Can you guys see though? I can definitely tell I had treatment on this side. It's so numb. I don't know if I sound different, but I cannot feel. I can't feel right here. It's so numb. Oh my gosh. They were drilling because I had a feeling that they needed to. I had a feeling from my sweet days back in the day. I think I got that feeling when I was 15 or 16. Every day I used to eat a lollipop, a red lollipop, because I want my lips to be red and stuff like that. So I used to eat a lot of lollipops. I don't really eat much sweets as such right now. So that feeling, which is up at the top, is chipping. So they had to go back in and drill it out. And redo it, but she said it's so deep. She says in future, if anything happen again, I won't be able to refill it. They'd have to do a root canal or an extraction. Yeah, so and I got white filling. Y'all had known. She said that I got white filling because I'm breastfeeding, so you can get silver or you can get white, but generally they give silver. She said the silver having a lot of mercury, so she didn't give it to me because I'm breastfeeding. So yay me. I could definitely tell that here swelled though. Or is it not swollen, it's just numb? Yeah man, my mouth on the side. Yeah, so I'm waiting for Sean. Oh, and I got my teeth and I got my teeth. Oh my gosh, I can't even open my mouth properly. Y'all could call me Twist Face SK. Look. So I got my teeth cleaned as well. But I think in future I'm gonna get them whitened. No bad. So Sean is in there getting his teeth cleaned now. Yeah. Humanity is fast asleep. Alright, check back in with you guys later. Hello, Rivy. No, hey, you ready for your picture? Say, guys, I'm 10 months old. I'm gonna take my 10-month picture. Yeah. Say, guys, stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Tell them. Yeah, do that. Yeah. Yeah, so make sure do that. Like the video. Alright, let's go take your photo. We have the thing set up here, y'all, but obviously I don't know. Kayla, come see if you could hold this camera, because watch here, he already busy. See now? Watch here. We just go through so much. So Shonda's gonna fix him up a little bit. But this here, River's not gonna sit still, so we really just get his pictures done properly. Honestly. Behave yourself, boy. Behave yourself. Kayla, I'm gonna let you hold the camera, okay? We just kind of recording, just trying to get River picture and stuff like that, so. See, he already take off this stuff, you see, it's just so hard. We're definitely not doing this a second time. God, this is just too much. Give me this now, River. God. Let's put it on the 10. We're not gonna get through today, you know.
Yeah, we're not gonna.
It don't look so good. This is just wild behavior. Watch here. River. Alright, get your phone, babe. Hold this ShéKayla.
Why do I feel like I need to beat you even though there's nothing wrong?
I'm 10 months old today. Oh gosh. Alright, how are we doing this?
You take him and you put him down, so me just get you one.
His socks fixed?
Me the second one.
We keeping the socks on?
Sure, I'll take it off the one.
You ready now? Hold on, you just saw. Where the other thing that I was gonna give him? Here, look.
Yeah, okay, he's gonna hold the thing and pull it up.
Hold on, I'm giving him something to hold. Here, Riv, look, here. Look. Look, Riv, here, look. Wow. Wow, Rivy.
We can't have it.
Here. Here, Riv, no, here. Here.
Ah, you put him down and I'll take the picture, please.
Okay, alright.
That he's gonna.
Come, here, look. Wow, taka.
Where's my phone? Is it?
Tick.
Where's my phone?
I don't know. Yeah. Hold on. Riv, hold on. What is it that River want? What is it? What do you want, Riv? We only want one picture. We just want one picture with you in the moon, on top of the moon. Here, look. There you go. Happy now? And we'll put this here for 10 months then. Look at that. So that's not good enough?
No, we're not gonna compromise. Let it go.
Should we say
Here,
no?
here.
Hold it. Oh crap. Should I have it? Come. Lord and bridges falling down. Smile, Rivier.
Just let him sit up.
Alright, sit then. Here. River! It's a space. Okay,
Right,
stand.
Put him down.
Here. Oh boy.
Yeah, that's it. We got it.
You got a picture? What did you get?
I mean, I'll show you, but we pretty much.
We get nothing.
See there?
That's.
Yeah.
We don't.
That's what we got.
I was in the way.
See there. We got post everything. We get.
Yeah, maybe we could get him like this. I feel like River think this is a playmat. And it's really not.
River.
I feel like he willfully avoiding the picture then at this point. Oh my god, can I get River, can you stop? Look, he's side now. Where's my phone? I think we need to partner up.
Look here, Riv. Stand up, stand. Hold on, stand.
What was going on? Send help.
It's not on your own terms, right?
Because clearly it's not working out.
Terms, right?
It's just not working out. Honestly, River, I just cannot. People need to know you're growing up, Riv, but you're not letting them. Huh? Just look at this. He's just too busy. Watch here, watch here. River, but slow down now. Oh my gosh. Daddy's right here trying to get the shots. Yeah, see, I got my smile back now though. I still have some numbness, but that's a little bit. But for the most part, good to go. Sean was talking like this. Oh gosh, let me stop. Lord have mercy, River is too busy. Yeah, we're gonna go. Oh, we started watching. Sean, what are we watching? Beef. We started watching a new series on Netflix. It's called Beef. Yeah, it's pretty good. It kind of slow-ish in the beginning, like to kind of like.
Yeah, it was good. True.
No, but for some people, it might be like it take a little bit just to, you know. But it's like a little petty type of thing. It's called Beef. Y'all could go and check it out. It's actually things just kind of spiral for no reason, really. But yeah, for grown adults. Watch it. It's called Beef. I think it's like a 10-episode series. It was a mini series, quite good, you know. So y'all could check it out. Beef. Alright. Yeah. And we're gonna see what shots we can get off River, because honestly it's just difficult lately.
Oh, Richard can't get in for the year.
Right? Hey, look here. You see? You see? Glad they've seen this behavior. Look here. Hey. Turn him around, let him slide off. He gonna slide off. Good boy, Riv. Who is a good boy, Riffy? He playing with the heart. I'm gonna take that from him right now. Can I have it, please? Thank you. Thank you. Let it go, Riv. Thank you. Thank you, very good boy. Should we pack up this blanket, John? Or you still wanna try? We done with this? Alright, we're gonna try. If we do get a nice couch picture of what Sean gonna do right now, I'll insert it here. Alright, folks. Yeah, so that's that. Oh, you know, last night I cooked some pork. I didn't vlog. I was like, should I be vlogging this? I did. That was yesterday. I cooked some pork chops. Y'all ever see pork chops come with like the actual like skin on? I've never had pork chops, or I've seen pork chops like that come with the skin on. I have on this sweater, right? But the sun, oh, this, so I'm starting to get hot, so I'm gonna make this quick. Yeah, so I went to Asda and I saw some pork chops with the skin on. I was like, this might be so good. So like my friend was telling me, oh, you should fry it, like put it in some flour, fry it and put it in the oven with a nice sauce. And so yeah, that's what I did. So I'll show you guys the pork with the skin on, like, you know, y'all see this, like, look at that. And then I fry it. So I'm gonna insert the clip after it's been fried and stuff. And then I made a really nice sauce. Like this sauce that y'all see, it's a combination of soy sauce, honey. Like I love my honey barbecue type of stuff, right? That's like my favorite sauce to make. So I did soy sauce. What did I do? Soy sauce, honey, bit of ketchup, barbecue sauce, and then I did like onions, peppers, garlic. Garlic is a must. And then I put a little bit of lemon pepper seasoning in there. I did pimento, ginger, you know, the whole shebang. And then I let that simmer for a bit. And then I throw it over the pork chops. And then I had to put it in the oven to bake. So, you know, cover it with foil, stick that in the oven, and yeah. And that was that. Oh, let me show you guys how it came out. So this is when I took it out of the oven, and I don't know, it looked nice and stuff, and I actually tasted it too, and it actually was very nice. But I think that the pork, it could have been a bit more tender, so I think it actually needed to cook in the actual juices So the sauce that I poured over it, obviously it didn't like cover, so it needed to be like cooking in the actual sauce to make it more tender and that. But it was still nice though regardless. So either I'll like pressure the pork chop a little bit next time before I actually like fry it, and then just do it down in the sauce. I don't know. Yeah, I could comment down below, give me a nice recipe for pork chops, because I never know, like I think I've been cooking pork chops the same. Yeah, but anyways, River is actually River's actually in the back seat listening to me, y'all. He's so sweet. Let me not make eye contact, because every time I make eye contact with River, but yeah, so I was like thinking, like during the school run, I was like, look at me, I'm not wearing no makeup, nothing. But y'all know I don't always wear makeup and stuff. But a lot of parent mothers, sometimes you see how they drop it out their kids to school, right? They got on like their bonnet still on their head, they gone like in a robe, even bedroom slippers. Like I've seen like crazy. I don't think I'd embarrass ShéKayla like that bad though. But yeah, anyways, I watched, remember I told you guys that I started watching a series called Beef, but did I tell you guys that in the last vlog? That's like one series that Sean and I actually finished. I don't know if I tell you guys that, but just wanted to put it out there, because I know I tell you that he's like the worst person to watch like a movie or a series with. And we actually, my friend told me about this new series called Obsession. It's another mini series. It's like a 4-episode series. So I told Sean about it. I was like, let's see what this is about. And then we watched the first episode. Spoiler alert, so if y'all ain't watch it yet, I mean, you can go ahead and watch it. If you don't want to hear what it's about, you can go, I could just give you a little recap. So long story short, this guy, this guy, he's a surgeon. He has a Riffy. He's got a son who's a junior doctor, and his son met this woman, and you know, the woman and the father kind of end up in some kind of like entanglement situation type of thing. And yeah, but yeah, it's called Obsession. And then I was like, this is interesting. So I mean, you guys need to, yeah, you go and check it out. It's called Obsession. And then maybe in the next vlog I'll like touch base on, I don't know what I feel about it, because I was gonna talk about it, but I want you guys to go and watch it. It's on Netflix. Obsession. It's just 4 episodes, so y'all could go and check that out. River is fast asleep, and it's getting quite warm in this car. Y'all see this place is so nice and sunny. I'll show y'all. Y'all could see River. Look, y'all could see him through the mirror. The mirror is a bit dirty, but yeah. He's fast asleep here, but you can't see him so good in the sun. And the sun in him, he getting all that extra vitamin D right now. Yeah, so he's fast asleep, y'all. And we have blue skies. We have blue skies, y'all. Blue skies. This is why I have my phone. I don't have my camera, so I always put my phone right here. When I have the camera, I actually put the camera here when I have it. But I put it on this mat, because the mat, you know, so the camera doesn't slide. So that's what I normally do. But when I have the phone, I put it here. But I feel like I could actually put it a bit closer, so then at least you guys can be in front of me like this. It's a much better view, but I don't want it too much in my way. Anyways, I think we're gonna just set up the GoPro. We're gonna probably buy something and just set up the GoPro, so we can use the GoPro instead, and lock it in, or something for my camera. I don't know, but I don't want too much things on my dash. I don't want so much things. I don't know, but anyways, later. People need to know you're buying up, Riv, but you're not letting them, huh? Just look at this. It's just too busy. Gosh. Daddy's right here trying to get the shots. Yeah, see, I got my smile back now, though. Yeah. Turn him around, him slide off. He gonna slide off. Good boy, Riv. Who is a good boy, Riffy? You playing with the heart. I'm gonna take that from him right now. Here you go, Riv. Riffy. Let's see how come Riv. Riffy, here. Come here. Come, Riffy. Get it, Riffy. You can't run though. Come get it, Riv. You gotta get up, Riffy. Get up, Ruby. Yeah, get up, Ruby. Good job. Alright, Ruby, here. Come and get it, Ruby. Okay, come and get it, Ruby. Get it, Ruby. Get it, Ruby. Come on, Ruby. Ruby, here, get it. Come and get it, Ruby. Get it, Ruby. Get it, Ruby. Good job, Ruby. Ruby, here you go, Ruby. Wow, get it, Ruby. Come and get it, Ruby. Yay. Come and get it, Ruby. Good job. Here you go. Yeah. Yeah. Ruby, you can't get so excited. Here you go, Riv. Good job. Good job, Riv. Good job, Riv. Good job, Ribby. Wow. Come and get it, Ribby. Oh my gosh, Ribby. Come and get it, baby. Yeah. Good job. Wow. Yay. Oh my God. Oh, Ribby. Ribby, you did it. Oh my goodness. Let's go again, Ribby. Come, Ribby. Ribby, come. You're so sweet. Okay, stand up, Ribby. Wow. Come, Ribby, up. Okay, you stand up by yourself then. Stand up. Here, up. So this made you walk, huh? Wow, look at you.